Hello, cool people. It is May 8th, 2021, and today is an exciting day. Today I'm going to do a first ever unboxing and review. I've never done those before, and the unboxing is for this. For G413 Carbon mechanical keyboard. I've never had a mechanical keyboard before. So this is what it looks like from the back. There's a whole bunch of descriptions. It looks to be really cool. It has red buttons and special keys. So let's open up that box. Pull that sucker out. Woo! Okay. So the packaging is pretty sweet. They have really cool packaging actually. And if you look at the advertisement for a G413 keyboard, apparently based from the commercial, it is made out of lava and dubstep. So when we open that up, let's see if the camera will catch this. So that's what the box looks like on the inside. Whoop. Pardon me, there is some sort of a smell coming out of the box because it's, you know, I haven't opened it yet. The box, I really like the box. It looks like whoever built the keyboard, which in this case Logitech, they put in a lot of effort into making sure that it is presentable. So normally I buy a keyboard. If I want to replace a keyboard, I would buy like a cheap $9-10 keyboard. So there's a small instruction manual on the inside, which I will read later. Typically, you're supposed to read the instruction manual first, and then do the stuff. And by do the stuff, I mean assemble the equipment. So when you take it out, this is the packaging. The keyboard is very neatly packaged, so that and there's like a red sticker. So the key's supposed to be lighting up green. There are two wires in here, two USB cables with a plastic wrap to make sure that the wires are neat. The reason I got the keyboard actually is because I want to when I was practicing my typing, I realized that my enter key is not quite like this old keyboard that I had. I had to take the keys out a few times and clean it and then plug them back in. So it's old. The keyboard that I have now is probably 5-6 years old. No, not 5-6. It's maybe like 3 or 4 years old. So because I noticed that some of the keys are difficult to press while I type, because I wanted to see how fast I can type on that keyboard, and I was able to get up to like 60 words per minute, which is pretty cool. So I took the plastic off, and I'm just pressing. I'm just touching the keyboard right now to see. Oh, so that's the clickety clack. Okay. All right. So, this is what it looks like. It's not lit up yet, but I can clearly see the letters. If they were a little brighter without the keyboard being lit up, I think that would be better. But on the other hand, what's the point if when you do plug it in, they're supposed to line up? So keyboard is pleasant to the touch. I like it, and I'm gonna have to probably adapt. Well, you know what? There's nothing like testing like playing some StarCraft 2. Oh, there it is. The music was off, and the music was off because I clicked off the screen. So I'm just going to untwist the plastic seal on the wire. Well, actually, do I need to? Yeah, I do. Because if I don't, I won't be able to plug it in properly. All right. Do. Oh, come on. How do they? Wait, am I gonna have to cut it? Or can I just untwist it? Okay, I do not have to cut it. Okay. They just kind of... It looks like this was done manually. Okay. The wires are free. Yay. Alright. So, step 2. I'm going to disappear for a few seconds because I have to crawl on the floor, unplug... Actually, I don't. Hang on a minute. I do not have to do that. Because I do have this little connector. A USB hub. Although it might not... I don't know if it will take in the USB 2.0. Ah, there it is. Okay, it is plugged in. It is plugged in, and I'm gonna have to like rearrange the way the wires are. But basically, when you plug it in, that's... Hang on, let me close the blinds so that you can see what it looks like in a dimmer environment. It is midday, but if I close the curtains and it's a little darker, then that's what it looks like. It's glowing and stuff. And by stuff, I mean it's really cool. Yeah, it is nice. Do. All right. So, it's quite heavy in terms of the weight. Like I'm holding it up. Actually, let me turn it around a little bit. Boom. Whoops. This is what it looks like when it's plugged in. The camera might not be showing the colors well enough because there's lighting, but like when I look at it, the buttons are very bright. They're bright red. In fact, one of the reasons why I picked it, it's because, well, the Rarugu logo, it has by default, it has the red circle in the middle. So when I saw it, I'm like, this is thematically appropriate. Okay. I'm just pressing the buttons to get the feel for what it's like. It feels comfortable when I press them, and I can see everything clearly. It's stylish. Okay. Oh. I am not sure. So, caps lock. I don't see a okay, so where's the scroll lock? Is there a scroll lock key? There should be a scroll lock key. Not quite seeing it, but anyway, so far the impression of the keyboard is it's exciting, in a sense that when you plug something like this in, when I press the keys, they're very smooth to the touch for the fingers. Like when my fingers glide over the keys, it's whoops, I think I may have just accidentally typed a bunch of random stuff to to one of my opponents in StarCraft 2. That's okay. Yeah. So far, G413 keyboard is pleasant to the touch. I'm excited to use it. I will be practicing some StarCraft with it. I can definitely press the spacebar key. You know, it feels convenient. It feels convenient. It feels stylish. I will do another little review after, let's say, a couple of weeks of using it. But I don't see a reason why one would not get something like this. If you want something cool looking, something stylish, G413, this one right here, G413 Carbon. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Where's it? No, this way. Actually, can I? This? Yeah, you can see it this way. G413 Carbon keyboard. Yeah, that one. It cost me about $55, so on Amazon. So some of the Twitch Prime subscriptions helped out toward improving my gear and equipment, my gear, right? So thank you very much to all my supporters. Let's see what the mechanical keyboard usage will bring. I think, well, it is more convenient. I'm gonna enjoy typing a little bit more. It feels really cool. So for $55, like, I think it's going to last me for a long time, because it says that there are those, you know, special keys and all that. I'm gonna take care of it for sure. It's stylish. It looks really cool. I like it. So I hope this little review will push people toward maybe exploring some of that. I think $55 for a piece of gear like this, especially if you compare the pricing of G413 to other mechanical keyboards, that some of them that have like a glowy rainbow color theme on them, and cost about $200, like 4 times as expensive. If you want to be styling, then G413 is a keyboard of choice. That's why I bought it, right? So, yeah, looking forward to playing with it. And I think Logitech did a good job just building that kind of a piece of gear. It looks sweet. So, I'll see you on the ladder. Or in Sanctuary. You know, if you play StarCraft 2, I'll see you on the ladder. If you play Diablo 3, I'll see you in Sanctuary, etc. Play a lot of Blizzard games, so. Logitech, well done. Yeah.